Welcome to Veto Boards. Today we will be talking about how to control several Arduino boards, Raspberry Pis, Beagle Bones from the same computer. You can buy all parts used in this video from vetoboards.com. We will also provide the links to the parts, code, and others in the description below. Let's get started. So first, make sure you have Python, the latest Python installed, and pip installed on your computer. So we will not going to go through these. They are simple. Just go on python.com and install Python. Or if you need more help, just write us something in the description below and we will give you the guides for a different video. All right, so let's get started. So go to the command prompt. So I already have Python installed. So if I say Python, we have Python 3.9.6 installed. So we will be using PyFormata. So import and it's not installed. So it's easy. Let's install it. Pip install. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to Arduino IDE. Actually, I have it here. So we will be connecting one board at a time to the PC, and we will program them with. If you go to examples, PyFormata, and then standard Formatta. So this is the standard Formatta. We will say I need to select which board, so I'm using Arduino Mega 2560 port. Right now I'm connected to port 3. What else? That's it. It's good to go. All right, so let's program the first one. So we will be playing with the 3 Arduino Megas here, which gives us approximately 162 GPIOs and 48 analog pins. So that's a lot. So let's see, let's get it downloaded and we'll do one at a time. Okay, first one is done. We'll try to connect the second one. Let's see which port is this coming out as. 4, okay. All right, let's do this as well. Okay, this is done as well. Second one, and we'll do the third now. Make sure you always select the right port, correct port number. Say upload. So this is the base communication, allows you to do communication back and forth from Python. So now we are done. So we don't need the Arduino IDE anymore. We are done. We are done with this. Now we can connect all 3 Arduinos to. I'm using the hub. You can connect them directly to the PC or use a hub. It's up to you. Personal choice. So now let's go to let's do some programming here. Okay. Here's our bin. ENV. Port. We need the PyFormata import serial dot tools dot list underscore ports from PyFormata import Arduino from time import sleep, and then let's say we call it port list or list. It's just basically just the list for now. So list. Actually, let's call it a port list. Okay. Ports. So in the list, basically, this is an empty list. We will be storing all the COM ports to this, so we know how many units, how many COM ports we they are in use. So let's do the ports equal list. So serial dot tools dot list underscore ports dot COM ports. Okay. And then let's loop through the how many ports we have for port and ports. Do this. We say port list dot append, and we want to convert it to a string. We say port. Actually, let's just print, before we go any further, let's just print port list and see what's in port list. Okay. Let's save it to my desktop. Veto.py. That's what we call the name. And let's go to the command prompt. Okay, we see it, Veto. So let's see Python. Veto.py. Time. Import. Okay, we have a misspelling here. So we should be seeing 3 COM ports. Great. So we have 3 COM ports right now. All right, let's do more than that now. Okay, let's now start defining each board. So we call it BRD1 for board 1 equals PyFormata dot Arduino, and then we say, let's look at which COM ports we have. So I'm going to select COM port 3. That's for board 1. BRD2 equal PyFormata data. No. And that's, I guess it's COM 4. We have 3, 4, and 5. All right. We change this to 3. This guy to 5. So now we have 5, 3 boards basically. Let's put them through a loop and let's blink the basically the LEDs for the GPIO or the digital pin 13. Basically, you can do it on any other pin, but you just see the logics. So let's put it in a loop. So we will basically loop through these a few times so you guys can see how can we control any pins on these 3 boards individually without affecting the other one. But by the way, if you guys want to run them in parallel, all 3 at the same time, let us know and we'll do it in a different version because that's a different way of programming. Let's say for iron range, let's loop through those just 5 times. Okay, we say BRD1 dot digital because we're controlling digital pin right now. And we say 13. We need digital 13. And we need to write for it. We need to write 1. Then we say, okay, you do that. Basically, let's turn on all 3 at the same time and then turn them off simultaneously. Let's do that. So board 1, 2. So board 1, board 2, and we have board 3. So now all 3 are on. We say sleep because we imported sleep from time. So let's put 2 seconds. They need to be off. They need to stay on for 2 seconds, and let's toggle them back off. So the first board will go off first. Then we put sleep 1, and we do the same for the second one. Second board will go off second, third board will go off third, and basically that will do it. So let's say save, go back to here, and say run. Okay, we'll try to do run, and we will see the boards will get initialized one at a time. So now board 1, board 2, and board 3. Initialization is done. All 3 LEDs should come on. Yes. Off, off, off. On, on, off, off, off. So we use the same technique to control Beagle Bone Black, Raspberry Pi, or any other boards. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.